Welcome to week 3, and as you will notice, each week as we progress, the format of your class changes just a little bit. In week 2, I wanted to give you a preview of the materials that you were going to find within each unit because it was the first time we began using the Google YouTube playlist. So what I've done is now that you've gotten used to the materials, I've eliminated your preview videos. You'll still have the same information. When you go in, you'll have the link to the unit that takes you there, and then you will have the tutorial videos. Now, week 3 is mostly about communicating, how to communicate with people within the DCPS domain or outside the DCPS domain. You'll see it covers Drive, Docs, Hangouts, and Calendar, and all of your tutorials will be over here. And this is how to, communicate with your team members and how to communicate with people, maybe through social services if you have different meetings, or anyone that you would need to communicate with. You can do that through Google Meet. Then in Unit 7, bring your student work online, and it's more about classroom drive sheets and groups, concentrating more on your student. You do have Unit 7 tutorials, and here is an introduction to Course Kit. It's not something that we utilize, but I did want you to be familiar with it since it was introduced within this unit, so you'll know what they're talking about. Just about all of the features that you will have in Course Kit are available in Google Classroom, and that way you'll be able to see what that is. And then measure understanding and share student growth. This is when you're going to get into sheets and forms. So, when we were in week 2 and we were discussing the individual apps, I was saying you would learn more about them within Unit 7. So Unit 7 is going to be very important to you when you are talking about sharing applications and making materials for your students. So be sure to pay close attention to your tutorial information when you get there. But that is your overview for week 3. And remember, while you're working within a unit, click on View Assignment, and you will be able to send me a private comment, ask any questions, and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. And I hope you have a happy learning week. Talk to you soon.